Hi friends, once again welcome to my CSAP world. I'm Devashis and today we are going to learn the basic things on array structure and string. So this is my second lesson, second tutorial, and today we'll learn some basic things on about array structure and string. So let's start on array. So what is an array? An array is a set of similar type of values that are stored in a sequential order. So array is a set of similar type of values that stores in a sequential order, and array is mostly of three types. One is 1D array, and second one is 2D array, and next one is the jagged array. So 1D array means one dimensional array, and 2D array means two dimensional array, and next one is the jagged array. So let's discuss on about 1D array. So what is the definition of 1D array? Arranging the collection of elements in a single row is called as 1D array. Array elements can be of any type including an array types. So the difference values of numeric elements are elements as set to of 0 and the reference elements are set to null. So this is the one difference. So I'll just give the syntax for 1D array is that type array name equal to new type and the size of an array, then int array equal to new int array. And I just want to give an example of 1D array. So for that I'll just open Visual Studio 2013. I just install and I'll open Visual Studio 2013. And next I'll go to File, then New, then I will select Project. Okay, so next there's so many things like Visual C#, Visual Basic, Silverlight, Python. So I'll choose to Visual C# and then I'll choose console application. I'll change the name here, that is 1D array demo. Okay, sorry, demo 2. Okay, fine. So what will you do? We'll just print as like array of 0 column 0, array of 1 column 1 up to array of 9 column 9. So for that I will just add some code and let's see, and I'll take int integer for the integer int an array equal to new int, and the value of that array, the size of an array is at 10 semicolon, then int I, then I will just use the for loop here for I equal to 0 column semicolon I less than 10, then I plus plus. So next I just give one curly brace and within that array of I equal to I. Next for I equal to 0 semicolon I less than 10 semicolon I plus plus. Then I just print this line, console dot right line, and within that I just write array, and within that of I, then column, then plus array of I, array of I. Lastly, I just for this line I'll just use console dot read line. Okay guys, let's see. Let's run this program. Okay, this one is that array of 0 equal then 0 array 1 1 like this after 9. So I just save this for it. I use Control S. So next is our 2D array. So okay, so what is 2D array? 2D array is the two-dimensional array, and the definition is that in two-dimensional array stores the data in a form of rows and columns, and rows and columns, and get length method can give both rows and columns that are present in 2D array. So when we will pass 0, then it returns number of rows, and when we will pass 1, it returns the number of columns. So that means 0 is used for rows and 1 is used for columns. So I'll just give the syntax is that int comma array equal and array equal to new int like this. This one is the syntax, and I'll just give an example of one 2D array. So for that I'll just and my example is like 10 20 30 40 15 16 70 80 90 100 110 120. So I will print as like this structure. So for that I just add a new file, new project. Okay, and then I will change the name here, 2D array demo. Okay, fine. So I'll just int equal to new int I just print like 10 comma 20 comma 30 comma 40 comma 50 60 70 80. comma within curly brace 90 100 110 120. Lastly we just add semicolon, then int I equals to 0. So I'll just use while loop for this. While I less than 3, then int j equals to 0. Then once again I will start while loop. While I less than 3, then and take another one, int k equals to 0. While k less than 4, then if I equivalent to 1, then I equivalent to 1, console dot write line within that a of I comma k else. This will go through the if else condition. Else console dot write a of I comma k if I k, then plus k then k plus plus and if I not equals to 1, then console dot read line then I plus plus, and lastly console dot read line. Okay. 10 20 30 40 and next 50 60 70 80 90 100 110 120, and this one is the example of 2D array. And next Next, we'll start zagged array. So, guys, a zagged array is a merely array of array. Means array within array, and a zagged array is a collection of one-dimensional array, and the elements of zagged array can be of different dimensions and different sizes. So the syntax is that data type array name equal to new data type, size, and number of rows. So I'll just give an example of zagged array, and suppose I will print the lines in the numbers as like 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Okay, I'll just print as like this. So for that, I'll just go to Visual Studio, then Control Shift, and Control Shift, and then I'll just write the name zagged array demo. So next, I just write int equal to new int of 0 equals to new int then 10, 20, right, like this. Of 1 equal to new int not 40, comma 50. Next, of 2 equal to new int then 60, 70, 80, 90. Then we'll just use for int I equals to 0, then I less than a dot less than a dot get length of 0 by plus plus, and then say for int z equal to 0, then j less than a of a of I, then dot length, then z plus plus, and then result console dot write a of I and j plus, then double quote, and this console dot right line, and lastly console dot read line. Okay, fine. I just run this program. Let's see what's happened. Okay, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. So next, next we will discuss on structure. So what is structure? It's also called user-defined type, same as class, which contains every members of class and can contain like variables, methods, constructors. A structure is a value type, and the syntax for the structure is like modifier and struct name, I guess, and next statement. So there is a difference between the class and structure, and a class is called a collection of objects, and the class is a reference type, and the structure is value type. And the class always requests a new operator for object creation, and structure is using new operators for object creation as like optional. So a class supports both implementation and interface inheritance, but structure supports only interface inheritance. A class is there are used while using bulk amount of data. The class is used, and for the structure used while a small values, a small volume of data is used. So uh, what is a reference type? That means the data type which just store data directly into the memory location is called as a reference type, and it also allows to compile time. And what is value type? The value type is the data type which can store the data directly into the memory location is called as the value type, and it's a memory allocated at the runtime. So we just give an example of such structure. So for that, suppose I will print lines as like this: yarn, column, chain, comma chain, p2, column 20, comma 20, p3, colon 30 comma 30. So I'll just print as like this. So for that I'll just open my Visual Studio, and then I'll just open Control Shift N, new name. I'll just give the name like structure demo. Okay, click on OK button and it's gone. So I'll print, I'll give a structure here struct point, and in that I just write public int and x. I just have taken public int x, then public int y. So next point p1, just have taken 3 points, p1, p2, and next one is p3. So p1 dot x equals to 10, the value is set 10, and p1 dot y equals to 10, like this. p2 dot x equal to 20, p2 dot y equals to 20, same. Okay, then p3 dot x equals to p1 dot x plus p2 dot x. Okay, fine, like this. p3 dot y equals to p1 dot y plus p2 dot y. And next I just print those lines for the console. Dot write line, and within that p1 column 0 1, next comma p1 dot x comma p1 dot y. So next lastly we just give semicolon. The next line we just print like console dot write line p2 column that 0, next 1 comma p2 dot x and comma p2 dot y. Lastly, just keep a simple on like this: console dot right line p3 column and 0 1 p3 dot x comma p3 dot y. And finally we just write console dot readline. And we just run this program for fine. So I'll just run this program. Okay, p1 10 10 p2 20 20 p3 30 30. Fine. Okay, I'll just save this. And lastly we'll just discuss about the string. So what is string? A string is a collection of Unicode characters and it is used to represent the text. A string object is sequential collection of system, and the maximum size of the string in the memory is 2 GB, and that is like 1 billion characters. So how to declare a string? That is string builder name equal to new string builder, then string. I'll just give a example as like suppose I will print a line that is www.facebook.com, and I want to reverse this line like from the end to beginning. So for that I will just write the code. I'll just take a new web form, that is Control Shift and new console application form, and I'll just give a name string demo. Okay, next string str equal to new string str equals to www.facebook.com and string builder equals to string builder equals to sorry, string builder rev str equal to new string builder, and then for int and count equal to str string dot length -1 comma sorry semicolon count greater than -1, then semicolon count minus minus. And then let us write your string revstr dot append str and within count. Lastly, add a semicolon and console dot write line revstr dot toString, and then console dot read line. Okay, fine. We just run this program. Okay, this one is the output, the reverse of the string. Okay, fine. And today is this much for this tutorial, and we'll start some tools that I used, components, toolbox. So thanks to all my friends for listening patiently and your great cooperation. And in your next class we will learn the uses of toolbox and its components. And so I hope you all have enjoyed this video. If you like this, then please subscribe this and give some comments more and more. Thanks a lot.